Our Ultra Comfort faux leather seat cushions are a cinch to install with our quick fit design. You get 2 rear bench backrest covers, 2 rear bottom pieces, and 3 headrest covers, 7 pieces in all. There are 2 options for installing the rear seat covers. Option 1 is to install by lifting the rear bench seat, and option 2 is to install without lifting the rear seat. First, for option 1, lift the rear bench seat. Push the straps through the crevice and under the seat. Now connect the straps together underneath the seat with the buckle clip. Repeat this process for the bottom centerpiece and then fasten the pieces together on top of the seat. For option 2, if you are unable to lift the bench seat, then you can connect the backrest and bottom piece with butterfly discs. Attach the discs to the strap, then push the disc through the crevice of the seat and secure it against the back side of the seat. Now put the left and right rear back seat pieces on and snap the headrest covers in place. Finally, locate the centerpiece of the backrest cover and attach the right and left sides of the backrest to the centerpiece with the zippers. Our quick fit design offers easy adjustments and a secure, snug fit, allowing you to enjoy your ride in comfort and style.